Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are talking about Sunday, or Get Sunday, which is the website for lawn care service, do-it-yourself lawn care service. So I'm working with Sunday to test out, and basically I'm going to give reviews of all the products. So I ordered a bunch of different things here, and pretty much what it is it's to get you out in your yard, to get you to do your own yard service, because frankly, we all know that you hire a yard service, they do great the first year, and then they fall off, and you're paying a fortune every year to have your yard look worse than what you could do yourself. So Sunday has a program that is specific for your yard, and you actually log into their website. We'll show you some of the screenshots of that. You log in, you put in your address. It basically knows what your square footage is of your yard. So it can customize a yard plan for you for your yard. So you tell them, it knows off just from where you live, if you have acidic soil, if you have problems with your balance of your soils, heavy clays, things like that. So they know that based on the area that you're in. But ultimately, when they send you your instructions, they give you detailed instructions of what you can do for your yard based on the square footage. So I should tell you that all of their plans basically assume that your yard is less than 15,000 square feet, which is quite a bit. So mine's a little bit bigger than that, but we have woods and things like that, so we're not going to do some of that area, of course. But they customize and give you instructions on what to do for your yard. They have a ton of add-ons as well now. So last year, I guess they didn't have as many add-ons. So, you know, they have some bare spot fixing, repair things. They also have some yard spreaders. They have weed programs now to spray for weeds and things along those lines. So they have a bunch of different things. And we're going to show you what we ordered today for our yard based on all the problems that we have with our terrible clay soil that we have in our area. So first off, let me tell you that when you log in, you put in your address, it gives you your basic starter kit that you'd need for your yard. Then you can go through and it says, well, you know, do you have problems with ants? Yes, we have problems with ants. So we ordered like Ant Adios and another ant program too as well, which we'll show you. Do you have bare spots in your yard? Yep, got them. So got the bare spot repair stuff. So we have some of that. So bare repair. So we're going to show you individual videos on each of these things. But you can see that 3-step bare repair program. So, and we just kept going through ordering stuff that we had issues with, you know. So we have fescue in our front yard, so fescue rescue. So premium grass seed. So we have this as well. Because we have a fairly good sized yard, each of these covers about 5,000 square feet. So we got 3 bags of it. So we're going to do about 15,000 square foot, the maximum on our yard. So we got 3 bags of this. We also got a pump sprayer, which is going to be for all of our weed control. So we have that. They give you a little weed control thing, dandelion doom concentrate. So, you know, kills weeds, not lawns. So you mix this into this container, pump sprayer, and basically you spray for any kind of weeds that you have. So, but ultimately, our yard's in terrible shape. So we're going to give you reviews on all of it. We're going to show you what it looks like today. We're going to go through and use each of these products that we got from Sunday, and we're going to tell you how they worked for us. But let me show you a couple other things that's really kind of cool with the kit. Like I said, you order and you get full instructions on what to do. Here's your first smart lawn box. So you basically order it, you get a soil test. They want you to do that pretty much right when you get it. So obviously, you know, you're going to ship that back in. Why do they want you to do a soil test? Because they basically made some generalizations about what kind of lawn and basically clay and dirt you have right now. So they make some assumptions of that, right? Well, then they ask you to do a soil kit test. So that way next year or next order or next whatever, they can make adjustments to it. They can, you know, raise or lower some of the chemicals with your yard to give you a better experience. So that's why they do it. Then they give you general dates of when they want you to do stuff. Okay, from June 8th to June 15th, I want you to hose on all the Mighty Green pouches during one application. Okay, so you look through these boxes and you say, I'm looking for Mighty Green. There it is, right? So each of these things comes with an adapter and a pouch. There we go. So you can actually hook it up to your hose and you hose on the product. So because of our square footage again, we got a bunch of these. They probably all came in the same bucket. That's something different. So you go through and you find all of your mighty greens, and each of these is going to cover basically 5,000 square feet. We got 3 of them. So again, each of these is really, you connect to your hose, you spray on the full application. So one other thing that we got, which is I think unique to this year, it wasn't something they had last year, is they have pet patch repair. So if your wife is like my wife, she's mad that the dog keeps peeing on the yard, and it seems like the dog keeps peeing on the best parts of the yard. So never pees in the dirt areas where things suck. So, you know, basically pet repair for the patch spots where you're getting burnout from your dog going to the bathroom on the yard. So they have that as well. So all of these different things we're going to give more pet patch. So this is actually the repair seed for the pet patch. So each of these things obviously has its purpose. We're going to go through, we're going to show you all of them. We're going to start off doing what they actually tell us right in the instructions. When you get the instructions, here's my sheet number 1. Quick start guide. First step, take care of weeds. So that's what we got to do. We're going to mix up some weed stuff. We also have spot treater weed treatment in here. Where's that at? Oh, I forgot about that one even. Okay. So we have some spot treater weed stuff in here as well. Boom. Weed warrior. That's if you're just walking around your yard and you want to spray on just like a couple of nasty weeds that you just can't kill with your pesticide sprayer. So we're going to start with a sprayer, then we're going to use this. Boom. That just out of everyday use and just while we're mowing the yard. They also give you instructions on mowing your yard. Make sure you mow it high. A burned yard isn't going to help you any. And then it goes through and tells you all of each of the things that you have in your box, gives you detailed instructions. Weed killing and control. That's where we're starting today. Spot treatments, spraying weeds, tells you when to apply it, 50 to 85 degrees, tells you when to do it. So basically it gives you instructions each time on here. Grass seeding, when to do it. Preparing your yard, how much you should put on. Patch Pro kit, we told you about that we got that as well. Patch Pro. Forgot to tell you about this one. Tick, mosquito, and flea control. We do have that in here too. I think I pulled that out and then I said, ooh, I forgot to tell you about that one. Mosquito Deleto. So we are going to take care of basically, our backyard is heavily wooded, so this I think will come in really handy for us because we want to make sure we can swim back there and enjoy our backyard and we can barbecue and have a good time without the nasty pests bothering us. So we have that as well. So we have that. Pet patch repair we talked about. So we're going to show you each of these things as we go through it, and we're going to basically let you know how this works out for us. So Get Sunday or Sunday's claim to fame is they really want you to go out and take care of your own yard service, and it's going to be a fraction of the cost that you can have for any other services that you have. And frankly, like, it's a service that measures everything for you, tells you what to do, gives you instructions. So it's really kind of like a do-it-yourselfer's kind of dream to just kind of have everything that tells you what to do. So provided all the chemicals and everything work, this is going to work out fantastic for us. And then as you go through it, you know, basically every time you open something new, you'll get really good at this. You open the new things up for it, and basically it's super nice that they give you every little thing you need. So sprayers, and then the last thing I wanted to show you quick is we got 2 of these different things. Ant Adios for bug and ant killer. Definitely don't want that in our backyard or by the pool. And the last one we got, which we do have these, which sucks, fire ants. So we're going to show you each of these different things. We'll show you that as we go, and we'll give you updates along the way. So we'll put a link in the description below to basically sign up if you're looking for yard things or whatever. Basically, you can sign up and take a look at Sunday. So it's Get Sunday. And if you take a look at it, there's things that you like about it, don't like about it, you've tried it, you know, give us some updates of how you feel about it. But that's really what we're starting today. We'll give you updates and videos as we go along. We'll put a link in the description below, and we'll keep you informed on how things work. Thanks.